Check out this Cadillac 2016 SRX Performance Collection. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, memory package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with single-disc CD player, Bose Centerpoint Surround Sound 10-speaker system, CD player, MP3 decoder and radio data system. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.